guys, so today in this cooking class, I am going to make fried chicken with pasta. Okay guys, so I already pre-made this part, but what you're going to need is 2 eggs, 1 spoon of ketchup, 1 spoon of mustard, and 1 spoon of mayo. Also going to need some bread crumbles. You're also going to need one of these strainers with the holes inside. After you mix it well, then you need to put the chicken inside. Now you're going to put the chicken breasts in the breadcrumb. That's it. Now you turn it. Usually you put it in a deep fryer, but we're just going to normally fry it because we want it to be healthier. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to put a bit of oil on it. Okay, now you're going to put it in and push it. Okay, so it needs to be on 350 degrees, 7 minutes each side. Meanwhile, you're going to boil some water on ultra high for the pasta. Once the water boils, put a little bit of oil and salt. You will know if it's boiling if there are bubbles. After it's finished, flip it and then put a bit more oil and then put it back in. Put a bit of olive oil in the boiling water, not too much. And then put a bit of salt. Now when putting the pasta, if you want it to be long, then don't cut it. If you want it to be easy to eat, then cut it in half. I decided to break it in 2, so I'm just gonna... It might go all over the place, but it's okay. So I'm gonna use the oven to put a timer. So I'm just going to set timer and then put it from 9 to 10 minutes. So here, I'm gonna put it 9.5 or 9 minutes. Lightly stir the pasta with a fork just so it won't stick together. So you're just going to lightly spin it around. When the crispy chicken is ready, you just take it out and the chicken is ready, the crispy chicken. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to pour all the water in here. Now we're just going to make it jump a little bit just to get the water out. Now you put it back. So I'm using an already made sauce. It's vodka sauce just because it's tasty. So what you're going to do is you're going to open it with a spoon, take it out, and put as much as you think is right. And if you need more, just put more until you think it's the right amount. Now after it's ready, you just need to mix it with the pasta until it's good and mixed.